Hi there, Sandra here, doing a very simple card today, but it should be quite pretty nonetheless. I have this rather weird shaped hole that I've cut out, so I actually did a print and cut and used that to cut out the shape in here as well as doing the print for the design. So on the back of this I have put a tiny little bit of double-sided tape on that little bit there because it's a very flimsy section. And I have some semi-transparent bookbinding plastic here. I've put some double-sided tape around the edges and I'm going to stick that on the inside of my card. Now if you really want to, you could cover this up with an interior frame. I'm not doing that. And I'm literally just going to place it like so. So I have this kind of window effect but not completely transparent, which is rather nice. Now because I've decided to raise this up on foam and put a transparent window in there, I obviously need to put something on the other side of it to obscure all this. So the best thing to do is to cut out the duplicate. You don't have to have the pattern on it, you can do it as a print if you wish, and line it up as you require in there, like so. Now this actually looks pretty neat. I don't think there's any need to put anything else behind that because I think it looks fine as it is. So this means you can see that sticky tape there, but of course we're going to put our printed version on the front of it. So when you open the card you can have this light behind it, but it still looks neat from that side, so that's good. So that's what it looks like with the blue line covered with a silver pen. Now I did it in blue because I wanted you to be able to see it on the card for demonstration purposes. If you're going to do it yourself, do it in a pale grey, and then by the time you've got the silver pen over the top, it'll give you a really good guideline, but you won't have anything to hide there. This was the design that I drew myself in Procreate. I have added a few little dots in silver and in fact in clear glitter pen around the top here, and a sentiment that I've put on the bottom mounted on foam. So clean and simple from the inside, clean and simple on the outside. Hope you enjoy it. File will be linked down below as usual. Take care.